So the first thing you want to do is join Scratch and create an account. So you go to http://scratch.mit.edu. So here you can see the full HTTPS. It's going to go to scratch.mit.edu. Then you want to hit where my mouse is, join Scratch. You're going to need to create username, password, confirm password. I'm not going to do all these steps because I already did them. I have an account. But you can do it. You may create a new username. Don't use your real name. And keep going. And it's going to ask you, I think, your birthday and some other information. Then it's going to ask you your email. Now, the important thing is to remember to put your email and go to your email, because then in your email there's going to be a confirm link that you have to click on, and then your email is confirmed. And then once you're already logged in, then you'll be able to create code, and we'll talk about how to share code, remix code, just with a URL.